Where'd your hat go? Where'd your hat go? Hi, Papa. Here you go. Cool, dude. Get up there. Get up there. Good job. Good job. Look, your foot's in the crack. Here. Get your foot out of the crack. There you go. There you go. Bye bye. Bye bye.
Yeah, save. Oh gosh, that looks to be dangerous.
Alright, let's get down on the ground where you belong. You're not ready for the couch quite yet. Ready? There you go.
Loves the vents. Right for it.
We're gonna have to patch that thing up.
Yes, we are. In the meantime, put a screw gate in there. Vincent.
Oh, great.
Okay, so I think we have...
We have a MacGyver on our hands. Why are you dewiring the vent? Come on, ready?
He's thinking of where next.
A few different options here.
The vent is where I'm going. It's all I want in life.
No, no, no. No, it's fun, isn't it? It's fun.
He's a Miller.